Going, everybody? So I'm looking at this trade using the Skittlez strategy right now. We got cross on the green thing, and what I'm pretty much waiting for is for the pink to cross over the green. Once that happens, and I'm pretty much looking to buy. If it fails to cross, then I'm looking for a sell. But yep, so we just gotta pretty much wait, see what happens a little bit, and then we pretty much enter. So I'm pretty much gonna enter right now, and I'm probably gonna put my stop loss right about here, 15,556. Okay, now we're in, and I'll give you guys an update in a bit and see how we do.
So I want to give you guys an update on what happened on that trade. So we entered previously right here, put my stop loss around here previously, and you can see the market came down, hit my stop loss. So if we put our stop loss like just a little lower, then we would have been good. But anyways, we found another entry, and so I'm good right now. Probably about to close this trade right now.